In this video, we are going to review Cursor AI versus Lovable. Which one is the best? Now, starting with Cursor AI, the AI first code editor based on VS Code. It lets you chat with your code, generate components, debug, and refactor instantly. It's insanely responsive and understands complex code bases, whether you're building in React, Python, or full stack apps. Cursor acts like a second brain right inside your editor. Now let's go ahead to Lovable, a newer AI developer tool designed for collaborative, smart project generation. It's like having an AI product partner. You describe your app in natural language, and Lovable scaffolds your code base and designs your UI. So, which one is the best? Choose Cursor if you're a hands-on developer who wants AI right in your coding flow, and go for Lovable if you want AI to co-build and brainstorm entire products with you. So, which one is your favorite, Cursor or Lovable? So, this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.